Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. Many people believe that learning English means memorizing thousands of words or studying grammar rules all day. But the truth is different. English improves when you use it daily in simple and natural ways. First, listen to English every day. It can be podcasts, videos, or conversations. When you listen, don't try to understand every single word. Focus on the meaning and the message. Over time, your brain will start recognizing common phrases and sentence patterns automatically. Second, speak English as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. Don't wait until you feel perfect. Nobody starts perfectly. Talk to yourself, record your voice, or practice with friends. Every sentence you speak builds your confidence and fluency. Third, read something in English every day. It doesn't have to be difficult. You can read short stories, articles, or even social media posts. Reading exposes you to new vocabulary and natural sentence structures. When you find a new word, don't just translate it. Try to use it in your own sentence. Fourth, write in English regularly. Keep a journal. Write about your day, your plans, or your feelings. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and remember new words better. Fifth, don't be afraid of grammar, but don't obsess over it either. Learn the basics, but focus more on communication. The more you listen, speak, read, and write, the better your grammar will become naturally. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. There will be days when you feel slow, confused, or discouraged. That's normal. Keep going. Progress happens slowly, but if you stay consistent, your English will improve. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to start speaking English. You need to start speaking to become better. Start today. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey.